because that's what it is. And neither does Cuphead. Hi, hi. Neither does Cuphead, which was our original idea for this. But but instead we just. Oh yeah, same here. Uh, what music should I play? What music should I play? Are you slapping? Yeah. Or should I just turn off music? No, like you can. I can get a custom song. Which song? Aw. Okay, yeah. Let me get my dash and my gravity coil. Why would it take a while? Yeah. Okay, get in. Get in. I think we all know that. How the fuck did you think there was a cooldown? This this is probably the easiest of the hard levels. Fuck. Fuck. Did you just say fuck away? Like a dumbass? I'm gonna get. Ah! Fuck. I hate. I hate this one. You already. You already got the button in here? Fuck. Wait, I just noticed we both have 44 wins. Imagine you die. Imagine you die. Imagine you die. You fell like a dumbass. It is possible if you use the sprint and then jump. It is. I've done it before. I have no fucking clue, honestly. Oh, there's another button. There's another button that you missed. Get fucked. I guess your number did not go up. No. I get to I get to brag about how I'm cool. Oh wait, I should probably put my respawn point over at the door entrance. Winners. There we go. Okay. Ooh, tightrope. I love this. Yeah, I know. I like how we can just skip half the levels with our really awesome items. Oh, that was probably. I forgot you could just skip 90% of levels. Did you just combo with the game's dialogue and. So you're a fucking dork. Do you even understand what fuck all means? Did you just. Did you just die? Where's the exit? Oh. I will now proceed to beat this level while you are dead. Yeah, but I like. I don't remember this. It's been way too long since I've played this. Fuck me. I had I had no clue what I was doing. Okay. I'm always first person. It's the way I play the game. I was actually third person. I was third person while I was looking around, though. Yes, we get to skip the entire level. Yeah, this one. Did you just die? No, you didn't die. You just. How do you trip? Oh no, he took a shit. He shit himself. Wait, they do? I haven't played this level. No. I've played the dumbass part. Death. You trying to do Megalovania with oofs? This one. Okay, yeah, now I see it. Hit the button. Now get the fuck up here. Oh. Hi. Did you fail that jump? Aiden is a fucking noob. It's official. Aiden is a fucking noob. No. I have absolutely no fucking clue. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. No! No, I tried so hard. I don't remember who it's by. Cool. Yeah, I mean, I didn't know who it was by until you said it. I like how we can just skip that one button. Bye. So, you're calling yourself a 2-year-old. Am I getting this right? The classic dimwit response. Oh. Now don't die again. Come on. Where did you go? Did you fall? I'll get this button. Oh, it's closed up. Hurry, get that button. Work on it faster. Use your sprint or something. Why are you twerking? My head just literally popped off. My head just popped off. Didn't even reach you. It's just like, no, you're dead now. Fuck you. Oh my. Best code ever. Me. I am depressed. Wait, I must do this the correct. I am depressed. Wait. Wait, let me. Wait, but Aiden, we must spin. You spin, spin. Blood free. Annoying ass bitch. Hello, Aiden. The annoying. I refuse. I refuse. I refuse. I died. I died not because I am bad, but because I refuse to do it. And you'd probably be shit at it anyways. Oh god. Your ankles gave out. Oh no. Oh no, your ankles. Oh no, your ankles. So sad. Spin! Aiden, spin with me! Spin with me! I must spin. I had to spin for luck. Because Aiden, you almost pushed me. Are you making me? You are official shit. You are shit. Uh, I was I was sitting in the most uncomfortable position possible, making it impossible to move my mouse. Spin with me, Aiden. Spin with me. I'm using shift lock. Yeah, just spin. You spin me right. It's you spin me right. I clicked the wrong button. Here you go. Click it. Ow. Ow. Oh, your ankles didn't give away the time. Okay, you go for that one, I'll go for this one. And I can't go for that one. Get up here! Slowpoke. In reality, we're really... Nice. Come on! Yeah. My internet cable... My internet cable came out here. My internet cable came out here. Fuck! You shot on iPhone. But you're playing on a computer. How are you shooting me on iPhone? We've been I've been recording for 20 minutes already. Oh. Why? I mean, he does. Oh, you guys are committing murder now? Yeah, fuck the world. I'm sad. Aiden? Aiden? This is YouTube now. Remember that. Everyone can hear you. So you're gonna bring your... I'm not screaming. I'm not... I'm not screaming. Dude, I'm recording, not screaming. I'm freaking... That... How is that an exact... Did you just leave on the medium lift? Sure, sure. We're so bad at... We are... I'm just... Yeah, we're just... I know. Before I go in there, I must spin. Do. Were you trying to push me? Did you just say beans? I have the green button. I hit the green button. I've already escaped. I've already escaped. Dude. Ooh, power tower. I love this one. I'll stay on the bottom. I'll stay on the bottom. Yeah. Keep going. Go up. Go up. Hurry! The water's coming. Okay, I got both the bottom. The escape should be... Yeah. Wait. We must spin. We okay. That water's getting kind of close. Eh. I know. What? No. I don't. Oh God. We're now locked out. You missed the main button. I died, but at light speed. Why are we so bad at this? Yeah, well, No, I'm not! We will be... We will win at least one hard level before... Yeah, we both... Well, I'm talking about me. Ah. I know what time it is. You fell first. You fell first. Would you like to know how long I've been recording now? I've been recording for 24 minutes. Just us. Proceed. What? I like doing this. What, sprinting? Fuck, I can't hear my own voice. I need to turn down the music. I just took a turn down the music break. How the fuck? I'm sorry, but I'm gonna hit this button just for safety's sake. Because I'm shit at this. Fair. But really, do I? You oh, okay. You go for that button. You go for the other button. Hurry! Just be fast. Oh my god. I got it. My knees are weak. I didn't even fall, I just died. My knees are so weak that I died because of them. I feel like this game is fairly poorly made now in that it's not working. And I keep dying randomly. Time to look for another Roblox. Okay, after this death, I'm going to stop recording this video and maybe we can continue playing because this is getting a bit... Oh. The water didn't even start rising. The water didn't even... They're coming for us! They're coming for us, hell! Oh no! Aiden! They're females. Oh no! No, no! What? You spin me right round, baby, right. Someone died. How nice. They both. They both. So everyone died, other than me. So am I going to make it this round because I'm actually cool? No, I'm not. Well, I'm... Dude, it's not even... I actually made it! I made it! Where everyone... No one can see it. No one can see it on... So, apparently... I don't think anyone cares about the leaks. Neither do we. That's the problem. The problem is, neither do we. Does it look like I care? Does it also look like I'm now dead? I was on the last... Yeah, my computer's so shit I can't even start doing it. Which is sad. I want... That was just my taunt. I was taunting. I was taunting you. I was taunting you because I'm cooler than you. Oh, really? I'm gayer. Who? I don't really know if that's... was shit. That sounded like shit, and it was shit. And I fell. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck! Fuck! Ah! I'm pretty sure. Actually, I've beaten. I have beaten that map solo before. How did you? No, you don't. There is a way to beat it without. It's just hard. It's harder than you. Hey, you can't say anything because you don't know anything. You can't because I am a god. You almost failed that jump, and that would have been so sad. It was all of them. All of them at the same time. Oh, the piggies are, the females have invaded our, space. Do I? Wait, but everyone else can see yours. Okay, look at the monthly wins leaderboard. It says unavailable for all of them. Yes, none of the people who actually have the monthly wins exist anymore, so they're all unavailable. I don't know. I was just... I am spinning. Ah! No! No! It just had me switch platforms. Oh, hey. Oh! Help? Professional! Why would they try this in a... I'm falling off of a bed. I may or may not have done it again. I may or may not have done it again. Ah, my internet cut out. It saves where I am the Discord call until my internet comes back. I'm just going to stop the recording now. Goodbye, everybody! And fuck this. I think we have established that. I don't think so.